Hello, I got my package in the mail, and it's called SantaClaus.com. But I don't care about this, but it's a SantaClaus.com on the website. Hold on, let me click that little thing right there. If you guys haven't been on this, you can just go to SantaClaus.com. Everybody loves this. It's a purple ball. I got this. I got the purple ball. It's stuck in here. Here, can you help me out, film? There it is. So you go to...
Just have to use a bicycle pump. Use a bicycle pump and pump it up.
SantaClaus.com.
It's a knobby ball. There you go.
Here it is. It's too big. So if you put in air, it'll do it. So we...
Alright, say goodbye.
Hold on. It was so me playing it. Hold on. I'm going to show me playing it.
Don't make it too long.
I won't. I'll be next after this guy. It's
No, you're not going to be next.
after, I don't know what his name is.
That's enough, Justin.
Just go to
Like your channel.
www.santaclaus.com. You won't be able to win any
Yes,
prizes
so-
anymore, but
The Santa Claus. Yeah, because they have enough people winning. They don't send it to you anymore.
maybe next Christmas they'll do it again.
Yeah. Oop, they did win.
Okay, you're getting awfully close to the computer. Say goodbye now. You're not going to play on the computer.
Hold on, you film it when I play.
Just stop or what?
Say bye.
It's almost my turn. You can zoom in. How do you zoom in? I hope that internet don't mess up again. If the internet is off, we'll turn the camera off, okay? Let's see what they're going to get this time. Because here's the new ball. But how come it looks like it's not? Looks like it is
Because you have to
inflatable?
blow it up.
They took
The
it.
bicycle
They,
pump.
they took it down when you took it. Oh, I'm next. They took it down when they send it. See, it's.
Alright.
I don't want the internet to mess up. I think I'm next now. I'm next. Okay, here we go. I don't want to sing yet. Here we go. It plays that music when you play. 2 balls got stuck. Let's see what I'm gonna get. I want to get that blue ball. See if that's gonna win. Yes, I'm gonna win. I think I'm gonna win. I think I'm gonna win.
Don't jump.
Yes!
One.
got stuck. Yes! So, bye! Hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to Vickers channel.
Can't win any more prizes anymore, but you
I think
get
it's
a
like-
certificate.
Yeah, I have that. So bye.
That's
Bye. And comment me from Vickers channel.